Is it giving big nyash? It's giving big nyash. Welcome yet to another vlog. So it's day 2 at IJABA. We're currently leaving the lodge. We are going to what is it? Uhab something lodge to go zip tying. So I decided, since we're doing a fun activity, I'll take you guys with me, or with us, but with me, you know. So yeah, let's go. So the lodge we're at is just, I think it's 6 minutes out of Ocho. I'm not sure where the lodge we're going to. Check the directions. I'm not sure the lodge where we're going, where it's supposed to be, if it's the direction we're facing or the opposite direction, but we'll figure it out. And then yeah, I'll show you guys what we get up to and all that cute things. So I'm wearing a very cute outfit today. Hopefully I'll show you guys like what I'm wearing when we get there. It's so cute, so sexy, love it. But anyway guys, that's neither there nor here. Let's just go. Yeah. Today was really nice. It was kind of cute. It was really cute. So we had like a no phones date type of breakfast. So that's why I didn't vlog that part, because in as much as I really want to create content for you guys, I'm still like a relationship hun. I'm still in a relationship and I'm still dating, so I'm gonna need to make sure like I tend to my person and also give him that time. But I feel like today was just cute. Last night was also cute. Everything is just cute. Bona yo. Highly recommended. Kesana date. Jolene date. Okay. You see, I need to unlock the car, guys. Guys, sad story. Really sad. Sadder than sad. We're back at the lodge. But to cry. Real tears. I just want to cry real tears. Maybe I'm sure we can go. I'm very sad. You saw construction where? Yes, I'm walking to the pool area now to go and sit in the water, because that's pretty much all I do. I don't know how to swim, but what can stop reggae? What can stop reggae at this point? Are you gonna stop me? What's gonna stop me? Nothing can stop me. Nothing. Look at him eating so happily, living his best life on those lounging chairs. Yeah, must be nice. Kesan, nicest. I thought you'd be swimming. So here I was just showing you guys my bikini, because I feel like the bedroom video did not do justice to it. And then I had to go and have something to eat before taking a shower to go into the pool and this is what I ordered, because this was like a snack light meal, but it was actually quite big. So yeah, this is what we had for lunch before we went swimming, and then we went swimming. Guys, my underwear. Is this a big nash? So this doesn't look like it has stairs. Oh, there are the stairs. I think I see the stairs now. It definitely has stairs. But what is this white thing? Isn't it stairs? I mean, it should have stairs. No, that's actually stairs. But I want my boyfriend to go in the water, so he's my guinea pig. So I see how deep the water is before I go test it myself. Yeah, Bandila. Because you have to go in a pool when you don't know the length and the depth. How? Why does it sound like you are dying? Why does it sound like you are dying? Like I said, guys, me, I don't know how to swim, so all I do is sit in water. Pretty much. I don't feel like the sun is harsh. Swimming, stop it. So we are done playing with the water, and I thought somebody had to swim, guys. Imagine. I taught him how to swim. Now he swims like a pro. I'm a proud teacher and girlfriend. But anyway, guys, so I'm just sunbathing because the water was so cold. Once I'm a bit dry, then we'll go to the room, take a shower, get dressed, go hiking. And I'm not sure if I'll take you guys hiking because this phone is low. It's at 3%. It might even go off anytime soon. But anyway, that's the update, guys. We already put in our dinner order, so we'll just come back, have dinner, and then we call it a day. Yeah. And then tomorrow is the Tosher. I'm so excited. Hi guys. So where's my phone? Ooh, I'm not sure, but it's about, I think, 8 o'clock in the evening. I had taken a nap because I feel like I'm getting a migraine. So I took like 2 painkillers and just decided to sleep it off because I did not want to get like an active migraine. But anyway, guys, I'm awake. I'm still feeling like a slight headache. I think it's all the sun that I endured earlier during the day. But we're going for dinner now. My partner is already gone. I was getting ready because I was asleep, and when I'd wake up, I'd take a shower and get ready. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this cute dress from Legit. I like it. I feel like it's kind of cute. I like it. The lighting is not the best, guys. We'd have to forgive each other, okay? But pretty much that's it. Just need to pick the Wi-Fi and go. Oh, and I need to join this lock thing again. Oops. I don't know why the door is constantly fighting me. Really, I have no idea. But yeah, pretty much that's what's happening. Went to the restaurant. He said he's going to sit by the pool. Why couldn't he just sit by this bench here? Since there's a cute little bench here, he could have just sat there instead of going all the way to the pool. But anyway, evening, baby. Why did you come sit so far? I thought you'll sit at the bench. You want to sit here? Look how cute one there. We have some tenters, people with the money. Did you speak to the ladies inside?
Yeah, it's
oh, it's not ready. Ready. So we can just go. Are you still smoking? Fountain at night. Oh really? Guys, I didn't know this. Like, it's a manually operated fountain. Dinner is set. We're going to sit up on that balcony. That's where we have been having dinner all these days. I'll show you guys the inside. Cute. No, but we said most we're going to have the 3 course. Or for the drinks. Okay, thank you, my love. Okay, so for today we're having a 3-course dinner, and yeah, pretty much that's what we're having for dinner. 3-course meal, starter, mains, and desserts. Like this, and it. So we moved from outside because the mosquitoes was eating. They were biting. Baby, don't mix the drink. This is my drink. So cute. Ooh. I'm thinking our studies have arrived. Let me show you guys what we're having for starter. So we're having the same basically, then with some fresh bread over there. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, no man, guys, the ghetto. So the dessert, this was our dessert, and I can just say the food was a solid 9 out of 10. Enjoyed it. And yeah, so if you're watching till this point, I know that you're an OG. Let's hashtag elephant in the room for these cute details that they have all over the lodge, and cute, thinking is toothpick holders. Yeah, so let's hashtag elephant in the room if you're watching till here, so that I know that you're an OG and you enjoyed this vlog. Okay, guys, so we're done eating dinner. We're gonna call it a night, go smoke happily, watch a movie, and sleep. So this is the end of the video. Tomorrow we are going to Etosha. Then I'll take you guys with and show you guys the place, the tour, and hopefully we can get some activities done that side, because here there's no activities. The only thing we could do here is hiking. So pretty much, yeah. Love you guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you guys on the next upload. Bye.